What's up guys, it's Alexander Travelbum. Today we are at Bonneville Salt Flats. So we just woke up here on these salt flats. Breakfast on the salt flats. Never done this before. So we just boondocked outside of the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah. We're almost through the state of Utah, but let's show you some of these salt flats. Alright, we made it. Here we are. Alright, so I guess you can just park right on the flats over here. So we're gonna go to our own spot over here. Wow, look at this.
Ow.
Whoa. What's up guys, it's Alexander Travelbum. Today we are at Bonneville Salt Flats. Let's go on a little walk. Who am I kidding? There's nowhere to walk to. Everything is the same. As far as you go, it's just flat as a pancake, and it's just salt. So the Bonneville Salt Flats, it used to be a lake, so it's an ancient lake that was about the size of Lake Michigan. The only really real remnant of it is the Great Salt Lake, which is next to Salt Lake City, Utah, and it is just a little piece of the size of the Lake of Michigan. So anyway, the lake went away, it got all dried up, and it left this bed of salt for miles and miles. And it's really cool because you can just walk around, you can drive your car onto it. See our van over here. So you can just kind of do what you want. You can camp out here. We just boondocked last night. So although this is one of the coolest landscapes I have ever seen, and you should definitely come here, it is kind of all the same. It's just flat salt. So let's see if I can make a video out of this and show you guys some different angles here. Okay, so there isn't much to show you because it's just flat salt land and it's all really the same, but look, every once in a while you see these little lines of salt. Can you get that on the camera, like close up? Follow this line. There's just these little, I thought they were cracks, but it's actually kind of protruding, and it's a layer of salt on top of the other salt. So I don't know what that means, but it seems like all the salt is pushing up on these little lines here, and they just go on across the flats. Alright, so I had to do this while we were here. I'm going to try the salt on the flats. Alright, ready? I have a little a salt crystal. That is actually really good salt. It's probably the best salt I've ever had. Natural, organic, ancient lake salt. We should bottle this up and sell it. All right, now Sandra, try that salt.
That's really good salt.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought our pink Himalayan was good, but white ancient Utahian is good. All right, so we're at the Bonneville Salt Flats, and we just camped out last night right here. And now Sandra's stealing my van. So I'm sitting out here all by myself, so I guess I'll explain a little bit of the salt flats to you while I wait. Never mind, let's go. You can do donuts in this van. You want to try?
Yeah.
Sandra's just having too much fun back there. She doesn't want to pick me up, I guess. So a little bit of history here. If you know anything about the Donner Party, if that sounds familiar to you. So the Donner Party was this group of settlers, a group of explorers who ended up getting lost somewhere in between Nevada and California, somewhere around there, and they ended up having to resort to cannibalism and eating each other to survive, and only about half of the group survived. And these salt flats, this was an area that they traveled through, and because it was so barren and long and exhausting, they lost a lot of valuable resources here, and that contributed to their their crazy end in the mountains. So, a little bit of gruesome history from salt flats here in Utah. Alright, we're done with Utah. We've had enough here. So we're on our way to Nevada. So we're gonna go through northern Nevada, and we really have no idea if there is anything at all to see. So we're just on our way to California through northern Nevada, and we'll show you if there's anything else on the way.